Hi, my name is Sarah and welcome to my channel, knottygnome Crafts. My channel is all about my love of fibery crafts like sewing, knitting, and crochet, so if that interests you, please stay tuned. Today's video is going to be a styling video. I'm going to give you 7 different ways to style a knit pencil skirt, and then at the end I'm going to have 6 pattern recommendations for a pencil skirt if you don't already have one. Before we get started, I'm not wearing anything handmade except for the t-shirt that I'm layered underneath my sweater here. It's the Pattern Emporium Keep It Simple Babe tee, and then I'm just wearing it with a ready-to-wear cashmere sweater and jeans. So let's just get started. I have a range of looks for you with my yellow pencil skirt that I made last month in January. And I have more details about the actual sewing and the making of that skirt in my January Makes video, so I'm going to link that up in the cards in case you're interested in checking that out. But we're going to just get right into the styling. And I'm going to start with winter and then move more towards spring. So look number 1 is the skirt styled with a hand-knit gray oversized sweater. It's a drop shoulder sweater with big sleeves, and I just did a little front tuck into the skirt. And I'm wearing it with my taupe knee-high suede boots, and I'm carrying my Chloe bag. And this is a very cozy outfit. I would very likely layer something underneath the sweater just for comfort. But yeah, I would definitely wear that to work. And I think that that is a cozy and comfy look for winter, but still a little bit stylish. Look number 2 is the skirt styled with my Hampton jean jacket layered over my Pattern Emporium Keep It Simple Babe shirt, which is this version was the turtleneck version out of a cotton spandex jersey. And I'm also wearing tights and combat boots, and I'm also carrying my Chloe bag. So this look I would definitely wear to work, or I might even wear for like an evening out or something. I think that it's actually quite warm and comfortable, but also looks nice that you can like kind of, it's a little bit dressed up even though you're just wearing a t-shirt and a jean jacket. I really actually like the way that the brown tones and the turtleneck look with the yellow skirt. And yeah, I think that was actually one of my favorite outfit combos. Look number 3, I am wearing a tie neck blouse, which is McCall's 8042. And it's a flowy blouse that ties at the neck and then it has lantern sleeves. And I'm also wearing tights and my black ankle boots with pointy toes. And I'm also carrying my Chloe bag. So because I don't have a layering piece on over the top because I wanted to show off the sleeves, this would be a look that I would wear a little bit more towards spring, but I still think that it's a stylish look for work, and that's probably where I would wear this outfit. Look number 4, now I could not leave out the matching sweatshirt. I did make these as a set, and so I did want to style it for you wearing the pieces together. So I have my yellow page sweatshirt, which is a pattern from Chalk and Notch. And I styled this one as more of a spring look and made it very sporty. So I'm wearing my tan Nisolo sneakers, and I'm carrying my pull-in bag, and then I just threw on a baseball cap. This is a look that I would wear if I were running errands, if I were just going to Target or Joann or something, or even just meeting up with friends for lunch or something like that. I really like the sporty look, and I think that this is also, again, just a very comfortable casual outfit, but I think that it looks cute. For look number 5, we are definitely headed into spring now, so I paired the skirt with my Victory Patterns Sophia top. I made this out of a linen gingham that I got from Blackbird Fabrics, and then I am wearing on my feet my white loafer mules, and I just paired it with a silver chain necklace. So a pretty simple outfit. I kind of wanted the top to sort of stand out on its own, so I didn't add a lot of embellishment. And I think this outfit's really cute. I do think that because the skirt is a slim fit skirt and the Sophia top has kind of strong shoulders, it does really emphasize my shoulders. But depending on your body type, I think that that could work for you. I think for me, I just kind of lean into it because I'm kind of naturally shaped like a T. But yeah, the look might not be for everyone, but I do think it's a cute spring outfit. Look number 6 is for even warmer weather, and this one was actually an inspiration that I had found on Pinterest. I'm wearing a ready-to-wear blue and white stripe button-up shirt as a layering piece over my gray Paradise Patterns Blama tank, which is made out of a bamboo rib knit fabric, and I have that tucked into the skirt. And then I'm carrying my pull-in bag and just wearing my nude loafer mules. I absolutely love this outfit. I think that it is just so comfy and casual and laid back. I would absolutely 100% wear this outfit in real life. And yeah, I just think that it looks, I don't know, like cute, but like not like you're not trying too hard. It's a little bit relaxed, laid back. So I really like that one. And then for my final look number 7, I'm wearing my Pattern Scissors Cloth Galaxy Tee. Now the Galaxy Tee is quite long, so I didn't want to tuck it into the skirt and have all of that extra fabric hanging in the skirt. So I went ahead and kind of gathered it into a knot at the side and just cropped it that way, and I really do like that look. And then I paired it with my pearl necklace that I got from Etsy many years ago. And then I have white sneakers on, and I'm carrying my white Rebecca Minkoff backpack. I really like this look. I think that it's a little bit, it's very casual, but then I dressed it up with the pearls. I think that it's a super cute like brunch outfit. And yeah, another like easy casual style, but with a little bit of flair. So those were the 7 outfits that I put together with just one knit pencil skirt. And I was actually really surprised by how many outfits that I was able to come up with just with things that were already in my wardrobe. And I am looking forward to wearing many of these outfits in my everyday life in the upcoming year. Hopefully it'll get warm enough that I can wear some of these. So now let's move on to my pattern recommendations. So I have a mix of Big 4 and indie patterns, and several of these are actually free. So the first pattern recommendation is the skirt that I actually made, which is the Sew House 7 Elemental Pencil Skirt. It is a free pattern. It comes in 2 lengths. You can do a knee length-ish, which is the one that I made, and then there's a longer midi length. And the sizing for that one comes in 00 up to size 34. So that's the first recommendation. Pattern number 2 is Simplicity 8982, and if you've been following my channel for a while, you will know how much I love this pattern. I've made many of the different views, but I do really like the skirt. I've made that one time, and it's very easy to make and very comfortable to wear. Out of all of the ones on this list, it's probably my favorite. I haven't made all of these, but just if I were going to go back in and make myself another knit pencil skirt, this is the pattern I would probably use. It comes in sizes 6 to 22. And in addition to the skirt, you have a knee-length skirt, and then you have a long skirt, and then you get a dress and a couple of different tops. So yeah, I really do like this pattern. I think that it's a wonderful, versatile pattern if you don't already have it in your collection. Pattern number 3 is the Itch to Stitch Lindy Petal Skirt. This is another free pattern. This one is a knit pencil skirt, but it's a little bit different because it has that petal shape at the hem. It just adds a little bit of interest. I have not made this myself, but I am interested in possibly making it someday. The size range on this is not as good as Itch to Stitch is usually known for. It comes in sizes extra, extra small up to extra large. And I believe this was probably one of her earlier patterns, which is maybe why the size range is not as good as it normally is for Itch to Stitch. But if you do fit in the size range, I do think that it's a cute option. And like I said, I do like the little extra design detail with the curved hem. Pattern option number 4 is Butterick 6858. Now I have not made this one myself, but I chose it as an idea for a pencil skirt because I really like that it has interesting seaming details. There's some princess seam panels and it has a yoke, and it comes in sizes extra small up to extra, extra large. So again, I haven't made that myself, but it does look very intriguing because of those extra seaming details. I think that you could do some really fun things with color blocking with that one. So keep your eye out for that one. It is also a wardrobe pattern that has many other options. I think there's pants and a sweatshirt and a dress. So it's another really versatile one. Pattern number 5 is the Patterns for Pirates Pirate Pencil Skirt. It's another free pattern, and it comes in sizes extra, extra small up to 3XL. So I have not made this one, but I have printed out the pattern. I was going to make it, and then I decided to make a different one instead. It does have a lot of options to it, I believe. You can make a slit in the back. There's a variety of lengths, and it looks really, really simple and easy to put together. And finally, pattern option number 6 is Simplicity 9450. This is a Mimi G pattern that comes with a raglan sweatshirt and a matching wrap skirt. I thought that the wrap skirt just added another little interesting wrinkle if you don't just want your standard pull-on pencil skirt. It comes in sizes 6 to 24, and I do have this pattern, but I haven't made it yet. But I am interested in making it because I just think that the detail is super cute, and I've also heard that it is extremely easy to put together. So those are my ideas for making your own knit pencil skirt and 7 outfits of different ways that you can style it for winter and spring. Let me know in the comments which look was your favorite. And if you enjoyed this video, I hope that you will hit the like button, and please consider subscribing to my channel if you are not already. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time.